Hello everyone, my name is K. Rajesh. I am from CSC section. Today's my topic is about the rules of sum and product. Introduction. In daily lives, many a times one needs to find out the number of all possible outcomes of a series of events. For instance, in how many ways can a panel of judges comparing a 6 men and 4 women be chosen from among 50 men and 38 women? How many different 10-lettered PAN numbers can be generated such that the first five letters are capital alphabets and the next four are digits and the last is assigned to a capital letter. For solving these problems, mathematical theory of counting are used. Counting mainly comprises fundamental counting rule, the permutation rule, and the combination rule. The rules of sum and product. The rule of sum and rule of product are used to decompose difficult counting problems into simple problems. Sum rule. Let us consider two tasks. M is the number of ways to do task 1. N is the number of ways to do task 2. Tasks are independent of each other. That is, performing task 1 does not accomplish task 2, and vice versa. Sum rule. The number of ways that either task 1 or task 2 can be done, but not both, is m plus n. In the sequence of tasks, T1, T2, so on Tm can be done in the W1, W2, so on Wm ways, respectively. The condition is that no task can be performed simultaneously. Then the number of ways to do one of the tasks is W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus so on Wm. If we consider two tasks A and B which are disjoint, that is A intersection B, that is equal to phi, then mathematically mod of A union B is equal to mod A plus mod B. If there are n of A ways to do A and distinct from them n of B ways to do B, then the number of ways to do A or B is n of A plus n of B. This rule generalizes. There are n of A plus n of B plus n of C ways to do A or C, B or C. Product rule. Let us consider two tasks. M is the number of ways to do task 1. N is the number of ways to do task 2. Tasks are independent of each other. That is, performing task 1 does not accomplish task 2, and vice versa. Product rule. The number of ways that both task 1 and 2 can be done in Mn. If two events are not mutually exclusive, that is, we do them separately, then we apply the product rule. If a sequence of tasks T1, T2, so on Tm can be done in W1, W2, W3, so on Wm ways respectively, and every task arrives after the occurrence of the previous task, then there are W1 into W2 into W3, so on Wm ways to perform the task. Mathematically, if a task B arrives after a task A, then mod A cross B is equal to mod A cross mod B. If there are n of A ways to do A and n of B ways to do B, then the number of ways to do A and B is n of A into n of B. This is true if the number of ways of doing A and B are independent. The number of choices for doing B is same regardless of which choice you made for A. Given the generalize, there are n of A into n of B into n of C ways to do A and B and C. Example, a boy lives at X and wants to go to school at Z. From his home X, he has to first reach Y and then Y to Z. He may go X to Y by entering 3 bus routes or 2 train routes. From this, he can either choose 4 bus routes or 5 train routes to reach Z. How many ways are there to go from X to Z? From X to Y, he can go in 3 plus 2 ways, that is 5 ways, by applying some rule. Thereafter, he can go Y to Z in 4 plus 5 ways, that is 9 ways, by applying rule of sum. Hence, from X to Z, he can go in 9 into 5 ways, that is 45 ways, by applying product rule. Another example, in New Hampshire, license plates consisted of two letters followed by three digits. How many possible license plates are there? 26 choices from the first letter, 26 from the second, 10 choices for the first number and the second number and the third number. 262 into 103, that is equal to 6,76,000. Another example, a traveling salesman wants to do a tour of all 50 state capitals. How many ways can he do this? 50 choices for the first plate to visit, 49 for the second, so on, 50 factorial altogether. Theorem, product rule. Suppose a procedure can be accomplished with two disjoint subtasks tasks if there are n1 ways of doing the first task and n2 ways of doing the second task, then there are n1 into n2 ways of doing the overall procedure. There is a natural generalization to any sequence of the m tasks, nearly the number of ways m. Mutually events can occur n1 plus n2 plus so on nm minus 1 plus nm. We can give another formulation in terms of sets. Let a1, a2, so on am be pairwise disjoint sets. In fact, this is a special case of the general principle of inclusion exclusion PIE. A permutation is arrangement of all the parts of the set of objects with regard to the order of arrangements. For example, suppose we have a set of letters, three letters, A, B, and C. We might ask how many ways we can arrange two letters from the set. Permutation is defined to given by the following function. Formula NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial, where n is equal to number of set from which elements are permuted. R is equal to size of each permutation. N, R are non-negative integers. Example, a computer scientist is trying to discover a keyword for the financial accounts. If the keyword consists only of 10 lowercase characters, that is 10 characters from among the following set A, B, C, so on Z, and no character can be repeated. How many different unique arrangements of characters exist? Step 1. Determine whether the question permits permutation or combination. Since changing the order of the potential keywords, example AJK versus KJ, would create a new possibility. This is the permutations problem. Step 2. Determine n and r. N is equal to 26. Since the computer scientist is choosing from 26 possibilities, example A, B, C, so on Z, r is equal to 10 since the computer scientist is choosing 10 characters. Step 3. Apply the formula NPR, that is 26p10, that is equal to 26 factorial by 26 minus 10 factorial. Then we get 1927522396800. Each of the several possible ways in which the set or number of things can be ordered or arranged is called permutation. Combination with replacement is probability is selecting an object from an unordered list multiple times. Permutation with replacement is defined as a given by the following probability function formula NPR, that is equal to NR. where n is equal to number of items which can be selected, r is equal to number of items which are selected, NPR is equal to ordered list of items or permutations. Example, electronic device usually require a personal code to operate. This particular device uses 4 digits code. Calculate how many code are possible. Each code is presented by R is equal to 4 permutation with a replacement of set 10 digits 0 to 9. 10p4 is equal to 10 into 4, that is equal to 10,000. The decrement of 1, 2, 3, so on n is a permutation I1 into I2 into so on in of 1 comma 2 comma so on n in which no integer is in its natural position. I1 into I1, I2 into 2, I3 into 3, so on in into n. We denote by dn the number of decrements of 1, 2, so on n. Permutations. A permutation is an arrangement of some elements in which order matters. In other words, a permutation is an ordered combinations of elements. Examples from a set S is equal to X, Y, Z. By taking two of the items, all permutations are XY, YZ, XZ, ZX, YZ, and ZY. We have to form the permutation of 3-digit numbers from the set of numbers 1, 2, 3. Different 3-digit numbers will be performed when we arrange the digits. The permutation will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Number of permutations. Number of permutations of n different things taken r at a time is denoted by NPR. NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial, where n factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into so on n minus 1 into n. Example 1. From the bunch of 6 different cards, how many ways can I permute it? As we are taking 6 cards at a time, from the deck of 6 cards, the permutation will be 6p6, that is equal to 6 factorial, that is equal to 720. Another example, in how many ways can a letter of word reader is arranged? There are 6 letter words, 2e, 1a, 1d, and 2r in the word reader. The permutation will be 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 2 factorial, that is equal to 180. Uh, Example 3. In how ways can a letter of the word orange be arranged so that the consonants occupy only the even positions? There are 3 vowels and 3 consonants in the word orange. Number of ways of arranging the consonants among themselves is 3p3. 3 factorial is equal to 6. The remaining 3 vacant places will be filled with the 3 vowels, that is 3p3, that is equal to 6 ways. Hence the total number of permutations is 6 into 6, that equal to 36. Combinations. A combination is a selection of some given elements in which order does not matter. The number of all combinations of n things taken r at a time is NCR, that is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Example 1. Find the number of subsets of the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 having 3 elements. The cardinality of the set is 6, and we have to choose 3 elements from the set. Hence the ordering does not matter. Hence the number of subsets will be 6c3, that is equal to 20. There are 6 men and 5 women in the room. In how many ways we can choose 3 men and 2 women from the room? The number of ways to choose 3 men from 6 men is 6c3, and the number of ways of choosing 2 women from 5 women is 5c2. Hence the total number of ways is 6c3 into 5c2, that is equal to 200. Thank you.